just like many other people who are giving you a point of reference for how successful they've been at losing weight, I would submit this guy over here. I was overweight throughout my middle ages. This was me on a Nile River cruise. Check out those cheeks. That's me on the left, excelling on one of our trips to South America. Would you believe fidgeting helped me lose weight and keep it off, going on 15 years? Believe it. The science I'm about to share in the rest of this video is real. So what are some of the benefits from fidgeting? Weight loss by increasing your calorie deficit. Promote focus and attention. Increase productivity. Protect your arteries and live longer. Negative nervous habits can be destructive. That's gotta hurt. They aren't good for our mind, body, or self-image. Now consider positive fidgeting. According to a Mayo Clinic study, researchers monitored the movement of 10 obese people and 10 lean people and estimated that a little fidgeting could shave off as many as 350 more calories a day. ADDitude magazine reported in the article, "The Body-Brain Connection, How Fidgeting Sharpens Focus." Even a little foot tapping or gum chewing increases levels of the neurotransmitters in the brain that control focus and attention. They also confirmed a subtle fidget may help block out distractions, fight boredom, and increase productivity. Sage Life listed similar findings in their article on fidgeting benefits. Fidgeting can help combat anxiety by serving as a diversion and giving the mind something else to focus on. In a BBC article titled "Why Fidgeting is Good for You," Catherine Ibister, a professor of computational media at the University of California, Santa Cruz, noted that people often choose to fidget with objects such as paper clips, folded pieces of paper, or widgets that provide the right level of stimulation when they need. According to Jaum Padilla, PhD, if you're stuck in a situation in which walking just isn't an option, fidgeting can be a good alternative. Any movement is better than no movement. This educational video is presented by Fiddlestones. If you've learned a thing or two, be sure to smash that thumbs up button before rolling over to the next video.